Hey, hello guys, this is Himanshu here and you're watching Developers Place. So today in this video I'll be teaching you how you can bypass the login ID and password section in Kali Linux. Okay, so before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. So let's dive straight into the Oracle VirtualBox. So if you haven't seen my previous video, make sure to check that video. The link is given in the description. I've shown there the entire process, that how to download Kali Linux in the VirtualBox. Okay, so let's begin this video. So I'll be clicking on Kali Power Linux or the start button, and let's wait for some seconds. Okay, it got launched. Okay, so I'll be minimizing the window. Okay, so here I'll be pressing E. Okay, when I'll be getting that part in my screen, so I'll be pressing E. So after pressing E, I'll be getting this. Okay, you just follow my steps very carefully so that you don't miss any steps and then it will show some error. Okay, so just follow my steps. So you use your arrow keys and bring the bar down to this Linux. Okay, here you get that echo. Okay, and on below that you get that Linux. So you just bring it to Linux and go side by side and you'll be directed to the second line. Okay, so the thing which we have to change over here is in the second line. Okay, so at first I'll be clicking backspace and I'll be typing here W. Okay, so it will be RW instead of RO, and after this quiet splash I'll be giving a space and I'll be typing over here init equal to slash bin slash bash. Okay, so once again I'm repeating, I'll be changing the status of RO to RW, and I'll be clicking and I'll be typing after splash init equal to slash bin slash bash. Okay, so after clicking this command I'll be clicking on enter. So sorry, I'll not be clicking on enter, I'll be clicking on F10. Okay, so I'll be clicking on F10 and now see, so the F10 is the functional key. So after clicking the functional key my screen got black, and now okay, so now I became the root user of the Kali Linux. So I got into my Kali Linux account, but I am a root user now. So if I'll be showing you by typing let's say the pwd, the our directory. Okay, so if I'll be clicking on pwd, okay, so they're showing that I'm a root user. Okay, so here I'll just be clicking on password. Okay, I'll be clicking passwd, because see, when we directly get to this Kali account, we need a login ID and a password. Okay, so since we do not have a login ID or password, so the universal login ID for the Kali Linux account is root. Okay, and the password, since we don't know, so we are just setting our password from here. Okay, so everything is clear. Now let's move forward. So I'll be typing over here passwd and root. Okay, so after clicking this I'll be clicking on enter. So they are asking me to set my new password. Okay, so I'll be setting my new password. Now as you can see, I have typed my password, but it is not showing, right? Because of the Linux security system, they do not show the length of the password, rather and of course they will not show the password also. Okay, so after clicking on the password, you can also choose a password. It can be a 4-digit password or a 6-digit password, that matters to you. Okay, so after that I'll be clicking on enter. So they are saying retype the password. So I'll be retyping this password, TE. Okay, so I gave a spoiler, I think. So after this, after retyping the password, I will just be clicking on enter. Okay, so my password is updated successfully. So I need to go, I just need to close this window. Okay. Okay, so we are all set now. We have changed the password and now we'll be entering to this Cal Linux VirtualBox. So I'll be clicking on start and it got started. Okay, so this will be the interface. So the device is getting booted. So after the completion of booting, you'll be redirected to the page where you'll be getting username and password. So there you'll be using the username root, that is the universal username, right, and the password which you entered over there, right, few minutes before. Okay, so I'll be entering my username and the password. So the password, and I'll be clicking on login. Okay, so after clicking on login, so finally I got entered in my Cal Linux account. So in the same way, you can also install and enter Cal Linux. This is 100% working trick, guys. And so if you think this video delivers a proper information, then do share this video among your friends and subscribe my channel as it is totally free. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.